Optimizing your website requires more than just audits. You need to know which changes to make first for maximum performance impact on your website. We have built something to solve exactly this. Hello everyone and welcome to the Web Auditor. Let's dive right in to see how it works. As soon as you land on our homepage, you will see an input box where you can enter your website's URL. Once you enter the URL, we will run a quick analysis of your site and provide you with a performance score of not only the default Lighthouse audit, but also the audit of some of our no-code experiments on your website. Ever wonder which performance tweaks actually make a difference? Our tool lets you compare your default Lighthouse audit score against the results of no-code experiments. See which changes, like removing third-party JavaScript or render blocking resources, offer the biggest performance gains. This helps you prioritize the most impactful fixes and get there faster. The performance analysis shows the low-hanging fruits first. That is, the priority fixes you should try on your websites. The fixes listed here will depend on the actual issues you have on your website. For example, some sites may not have render blocking resources or low-code coverage. We also have some pre-built experiments that you can run on the website in addition to what you saw. Simply by clicking on Add New Experiment button, you can select the experiments you want to try and run the experiments. In a few seconds, you will be able to see that the table has the performance score for the experiments you selected. You can compare the performance of those experiments with default score by clicking this single experiment link that shows the difference between default audit and this specific experiment. You can also see what changes were done in this experiment by clicking on this button. Another feature of Web Auditor is custom experiments, which allows you to select a specific JavaScript and change its loading strategy to async, defer, or you can also remove JavaScript if you think it is not needed. All this will run on the fly without touching your website's code base. And you will be able to see how those changes might affect your performance score. This is a great way to test out different ideas and see what works for your website. So that's a quick overview of how Web Auditor works. It's time for you to give it a try, see how it helps you improve your website performance, and share your feedback. Check out our latest blog,